welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to the vlog. Kung meron pa mga natitira sa inyo dyan, yes, nagbablog pa rin ako. So yeah, I'm just making this vlog because I'm gonna be moving out of this unit. So, few days from now, lilipat na ako ng unit kasi it's time to grow. You know what? Let me get my sunscreen first. So, ayun na nga. Lipat na kami ng kapatid ko sa condo sa Kainta because yung current unit namin is not anymore serving its purpose to us. I'm really still thankful for this unit. I even named it Japonica Haven, right? Yeah. So, ayun. Lipat na kami kasi the unit itself it's an okay unit. The pricing is also okay. Although, kung i-compare mo siya sa ibang unit, mas mahal talaga tong current namin. Pero, this unit wasn't really intended for a long-term stay. I know that moving here. Yeah, and my ex-boyfriend, he helped me find this unit, and I think I outgrew it, and hindi naman ako aalis dito dahil lang kailangan ko mag-move on and shit. I have therapy for that. Kasi din, mabait yung may-ari ng bahay nito, as in super bait niya. Especially with the bills and all, mabait siya. Problema lang is yung neighborhood. The neighborhood is not that safe. Nung una okay siya, tapos ayun, may mga plot twist na mga hindi safe na moments. And then, yung dalawang kapitbahay namin, kasi yung mga kapitbahay namin dito is magkakapamilya lang din sila. So, dalawang bahay is under construction ngayon, and I have been promoted and I'm now currently working from home, so maximize ko yung bahay and lahat ng ingay naririnig ko talaga habang nagwo-work ako and whatnot. And besides the ingay, dahil under construction, sobrang dusty. It has been 2 weeks na sobrang lala ng sipon ko. Hindi ko alam kung allergies ba or whatnot. And then minsan magigising kami ng kapatid ko. Sobrang ingay kasi talaga ng construction and all, yung mga makina. And minsan may nag-aaway pa sis. I can't. So, today, let's make this video as a in memoriam of the unit. Don't mind the tuwalya. Diyan lang siya kasi diyan siya natamaan ng electric fan. So it's been a year since I've lived in this apartment. Ito na naman yung t-shirt na suot ko sa vlog na to. Because I like brown and it's like one of the shirt na hindi siya sobrang init. Comfy lang siya. So yeah, it's been a year since I've lived in this apartment. Actually parang somehow yung length ng pagstay ko dito at yung relationship ko with my ex, it kind of coincide with each other. So yeah, so I don't have a boyfriend right now. We broke up last month, February. I'm going to therapy. I'm really crashing out. I'm beautifully crashing out, but you gotta live life one step at a time. Well, before the breakup, I got promoted, so I am now currently working from home, as I mentioned earlier. Sabi nga nila, when when a door closes, another one will open. Ayoko na ng ganun kasabihan. Pwede mo magbukas ng lahat ng doors. Charot. Well, pag magbukas naman lahat ng doors, ang hirap naman pasukan lahat, di ba? Life. Anyway, let me check my journal. I've been journaling too. So I have this journal from 2018. And my goal this year was to fill in all the blank pages. So this journal has been with me for like 6 years. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 7 years. 19, 20, 21, 7 years na to. So this is a 7-year-old journal. I had this when I was in grade 12 in AMA. Look, I actually have some notes here. For example, this one is from a course, SIPAR, that we study, or a subject, SIPAR, Contemporary Philippine Art from the Region. So did you know that there are many types of or forms of art? There are actually 8. Interesting. Yeah, so the days have been so hard. Yung mga ng araw ng breakup, it was harder. It was way even harder. Like, sometime you wake up, you feel so sad. And then sometimes you're so sad you can't sleep. Anyway, I'm going to therapy now. I'm doing it with Hello Happy PH. So they're virtual therapy. They have counselors, psychologists. It's fun, I've studied psychology, and there's a difference between studying and seeking help. And one of my professors also mentioned that you can't study psychology to fix yourself, because psychology is the study of human behavior, and human behavior cannot be fixed by the same person who is experiencing life as it happens. Kasi you wouldn't have the perspective of another person who is certified and who have went through like trainings, examinations. Well, anyway, one of the things that my therapist told me that I really want to share was about sharing the experience, like sharing an experience and giving your all into it. Because an experience is not just something that you do with someone. An experience is something that is meant to transcend your physical self. It is meant to transcend the paintbrush na tumatakbo sa dito, sa camera shot. So yeah, so an experience is meant to transcend your physical existence. Philosopher din kasi siya. Philosopher din kasi yung therapist ko. And she said that when you share an experience with someone, you share more than just yourself. You share your whole being, sabi niya. And once you do that, let me know if it changes anything or if it fixes anything. It was a really good outlook in life with sharing experiences. So that's what I'm gonna do. We also discuss my childhood, other things, I'm not gonna be opening up about that because it's too much for the internet, for you guys, for the 5 people who's watching. Well, I've also been into Pop Mart, by the way. I've been collecting things, so my ex even gifted me three Pop Marts. So I have one from the Warmth series, one from the Mirror of Animal series, and one from the Ink Plum series. I wanna show you, kasi ito lang yung may easy access ako. Kasi yung Animal series na dun sa kwarto, so may mga alahas-alahas ko. This one is the Warmth series. So, if you can see, I pulled the secret. So, hindi to confirm nung binili namin, but look at it now. So, if nilagay mo to sa colder temperatures, some parts of her will turn dark, like yung hood niya. Ito ring mask niya na magnetic, mag-turn din yan black. But let me tell you a secret of the secret. So I'm currently washing the dishes and cleaning as much as I can. Kakatapos na din ng shift ko sa work. So naglilipat din kasi ng bahay yung pinsan ko kasi they moved in here. Sa kabilang unit sila. Lilipat din sila ng bahay. Tapos nakita ko parang naimpa ko na nilalos lahat. So sorry, nasa loob kayo ng cabinet. So nakikita nyo yung toothbrush and everything. So ayun, I realized, what if magbalot-balot na rin ako kasi anong araw na? 18 na today. Is it? Actually no, it's 19 already, midweek. Ayun, so try ko magbalot-balot na rin as much as I can. And kailangan din namin ng kapatid ko bumili ng packing tape. You might also hear someone talking in the background because I'm watching an unboxing while I'm cleaning the dishes.
Come on, I deserve a bit. I deserve something.
I love Pop Mart. I love blind boxes. Oh my God. I'm just resting my hands because ano sila? They got like loose pad. Ano ba yung Tagalog nun? Parang namumutla sila and nag-wrinkles sila. Ganun ako pag na-expose ako sa dagat. Sa tubig for like a period of time. Parang my hands, it gets kineso. So since this is gonna be like a house tour type of shit, so this is the bathroom. This is actually one of the best features of the house, and this is one of the reason why I got it basically. But it's kinda not functional because the sink is kinda messed up. So hindi namin ito ginagamit pang hilamos or panghugas ng kamay kasi meron siyang minor leak. I really tried to fix it, but there's another leak that happened. Pero hindi naman siya super leak talaga. It's kind of like a minor thing. But I'm gonna be washing my face here tonight for the sake of it. What the fuck? Morning. Today is move out day and I only have like few hours of sleep and I have a lot of errands to do today. Wish me luck. We are moving out. Naked, everything has been packed. I'm not crashing out, I'm crashing out the house. guys, papasok na yung truck. Muntik na di makapasok kasi yung rules pala dito sa sa condo namin. Bawal pala maghakot ng gabi. I mean sa buong village. Kasi yung condo nasa loob ng village. Ti, so muntik na sana yung mga gamit namin nandun sa ti. Nandun sa kalsada, yung rep, putang ina yung isda. Tapos yung truck hindi siya kasya sa parking lot. Kasi yung hinire kong truck guys, siya. Kasing laki siya ng isang buong floor ng condo, charot. Update, hindi na tuloy yung lipa. Binalik yung mga gamit sa apartment. Ano pa po?